In this video, I will show you a quick way to stop kids from downloading games from Play Store. And if you have any questions towards the ends of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, simply open your Google Play Store on your Android phone. Now, once you've opened it, all you have to do is just click on this your profile icon at the top right corner. Once you click on that, then the next thing that you have to do is to click on settings. Once in your settings, click down on this family. So once you click on it, you see parental controls. Make sure you turn it on. So once you are trying to turn it on, it's going to ask you for a pin. So just put anything in there and then confirm your pin. So once done, the next thing you need to do now is to click on this apps and games section below. So once you click on it, you're going to see different type of rated, like rated for 7 plus, rated for 12 plus. So click on this one at the top, which is rated for 3 plus. Click on understood. Once you've done this, you see that every other thing below will be unselected. So make sure that every other thing is unselected below, and it's just only this rated for 3 plus that is selected. Once you've confirmed that, click on save. So once you see this setting saved, all you have to do now is come back to your Play Store and then search for any heavy or addictive game that kids love to play, like maybe a game like Call of Duty. If you have to search for something like that, you won't be able to find the Call of Duty game in here anymore, because Call of Duty is actually a heavy game and kids, they love to play that game a lot. And also, if you have to search for another game, like let me say Mortal Kombat, because this thing actually targets games that are heavy, that kids are addicted to playing. So if you have to search for Mortal Kombat, you see it over here, but you won't be able to download it because of this parental control. So you can see that. So the only games they will be able to access are, little games that kids sometimes they don't even like playing it, because kids these days, they love addictive games. So I'm going to search for another game real quick, and that's Asvat. If you know games that kids play, you know that they love games like this as well, as VAT9. So if you have to search for this, you see that it's not available for them to play also. You can see it over here, but they do not have access to that game. So this is actually a cool way for you to stop your kids from playing addictive games that will keep them up at night. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.